this is the Bedini setup, right? So the fellows knows what is the Bedini is. This is the transistor, this is the coil. But I am rotating the motor to rotate another stepper motor, but top of this coil I have a magnet in a north side, right? And there is a motor. This motor is rotating another stepper motor. From this stepper motor I'm getting the AC through the transformer. Then you can see the AC light. Then I have another 3-phase remaining from the stepper motor. I connect that into the DC, comes here to this capacitor and the Darlington pair. Just forget about that thing for a minute. But from this transformer you will see how much I get DC. I'm giving 24 volts. That means from my battery charge I can get only 24. Then I'll charge this, my dead mummy battery. I mean, I didn't charge this one for more than 1 month, 2 months, maybe 5 months. So I have only this current is 1.5. You will see this meter when I on, it will charge around some 36, 20, something like that. So now I'll start and see how it goes, okay? Here we go. Now another thing, now you see there is positive is not connected. My positive wire is not connected yet to the meter. Only the negative is connected into the negative wire. This is you get positive from the atmosphere, maybe the ether or the Dr. Tesla's that 3 feet antenna, whatever you can. Look at how much I am charging my battery. This is what I am charging this 12 watt, but my battery will be get really big off. Okay, now I will show you. I am going to connect this wire into the positive. This is the secret point of the Bedini circuit. Look at this. Look at that meter now. Okay, okay, I'm connecting. Now check that. Check that. Check that. Hang on. Okay, check that. It comes good. Okay, here we go again. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. How much fluctuating. Look at that. 131, 35. I'm losing wire. Okay, again here. You see 125.3. Plus, I'm charging my battery for how much? 43 there. The yellow one. Okay. Look at that's what I don't know what is this energy. Look, when I'm getting out the positive line, this is the atmosphere positive now. I'm thinking this one the Dr. Tesla's mentioned about that electric car antenna. Now the strange thing is, look at this, how much I am charging. Plus, I am not having this AC light here. I have some problems here. Okay, look at that. I'm not getting this AC light. No, here, you see that light comes and goes. There is have some loose connections, huh? Here. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Look at that. That AC comes from this small stepper motor. Last time I put a video on that one. So this is AC. You wanna get an oscilloscope shot of that? Look at the oscilloscope shot now. Here. That's oscilloscope shot. That is from the stepper motor generating. Stepper motor generating current. Okay. Now again, one more thing. I'm getting now how much extra, you just calculate the math. From this is the Bedini setup, only the negative connected, now it is around 4, something like that, right? Then when I'm connected this thing, look how much it's climbed. There is some smoke comes out of my coil. Yeah, 100. Okay, now smoking, my coil is smoking, you see that? Check that. Because I don't have any see, because this magnet is really vibrating so fast. Look how much generate the magnet. Battery is charging in so much. Okay, now I better off. Okay, bye bye. Thank you very much.